Video will show you how to install an extractor in an XCR bolt. You got the bolt, you've got two springs, you got a larger spring, a smaller spring, a detent, and your extractor. First we're going to set this extractor on a hard surface. This is kind of difficult to do, so it may take you a few tries. You want to do it in a room with no carpet or where you can find the parts if they fly out. You put the little spring in the big spring, you put the detent with the point up. Now what you're going to try to do is depress the detent as far as you can with this punch with a hole in. You're going to try to depress that as far as you can and then snap it down on top of the extractor. I'm going to try it here, see if I can do it first time. So it's kind of hard, you got to get that detent just right. Press it in as far as you can so it's almost all the way in. Okay, and then I'm going to try to line up, while holding it in, I'm trying to line up the extractor on the bolt on the extractor. Try it again here. Sometimes it takes a little effort. That's not sitting real well. Try it again. The good thing about this, you get it in here and you'll never have to really replace the spring or anything else. We're doing this because some of the older XCRs have a polymer spring and it gets worn out fast or chemicals destroy it, and then that's why we came up with these new dual spring system, just so you know. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push that way in, try to get that lined up better on the bolt. I think I've got it lined up good. Takes quite a bit of strength. We get it lined up, then I want to give it a good whack. Now, that was quite an effort on my part. It might take you several tries, but that's the way you do it. If you have any questions, just give us a ring. We hope this video is helpful.